You want something besides crackers?
No, I'm fine. I'll fix myself something after my stomach settles.
Really doing a number on yourself. Spending so much time out of the house.
Do a number on someone or something. To damage or harm someone or something. To abuse or mistreat in some way, as by injuring, disparaging, cheating, or humiliating. Examples.
I know what you're going through. My family did a number on me. Stripped me down. Left me hollow. I was a shell. So when someone finally did come along and offered to build me back up, I didn't resist.
He really did a number on you.
Sorry, I know you.
By the way, those silver platforms that you lent me really did a number on my back.
Oh, I'm sorry, but you're in luck. Alan here is one of the top chiropractors in Los Angeles.
I've seen him do a lot of crazy stuff, but this is a whole new level. Is this a people cookie?
You're good.
A definitive yes or no will be appreciated. Those cupcakes did a number on me.
Really doing a number on yourself. Spending so much time out of the house.
He really did a number on you.
By the way, those silver platforms that you lent me really did a number on my back.
Those cupcakes did a number on me.